with the last activity, everybody. Let me know if all of you has one of this.
Yep.
Do you know the name of this beautiful thing?
Molcajete.
Molcajete. Yeah, that's the real name. Or Mexican blender. Right? Sí, muchas gracias. Muchas gracias. And also there is a little piece of garlic inside, right?
Sí.
Yeah. So then also we have a little bowl with red tomato inside, green tomato, and red onion.
Oh,
Yes?
smoked too.
Okay. Then
Roasted.
we have a little container with salt right here. Salt. And also another one with
Pepper.
exactly. Okay. So this one here, my friends, this one here, it is the most important thing because we have the green chile, which is the serrano, and also the habanero. Okay, take a look. As you can see, guys, all the ingredients are already roasted, right?
Yeah.
Why? Any idea why?
Flavor.
Because it brings flavor.
Exactly. We're gonna get more flavor. It's more juicy. Okay. So in Mexico, when you, for example, when you go to a carne asada, okay, first of all, and almost mandatory, you have to roast all the ingredients. All right. But if you want to make a salsa for snacks, okay, it's just like fresh ingredients. Everything changes. It depends the food. It depends also the dish. Okay. But now today we're gonna eat some tostada and also some red enchilada. So that's why we need hot salsa. Okay. Now. Also we have a cutting board. Yeah. You have a cutting board.
Thank you.
A little spoon, a fork, and a knife. Yeah? You have it? Okay, perfect, perfect. So first of all, we're gonna start with the red salsa. Okay, save the half of your salsa and also half of your guacamole for the last two dishes. Okay? Now, first of all, with the red salsa. Okay? And we're gonna use, of course, my Mexican blender. All right. So the name of this thing, remind me once again.
Mexican blender.
Molcajete or Mexican blender. Okay. And the name of this rock right here. Do you know the name of this thing? Sorry. Okay. We call it in a different way. Okay. We call it mano.
Mano.
Mano. Or the real name is tejolote. Tejolote. Tejolote or mano. Mano means hand. Okay, so that's the name. Okay, hand. So for use the molcajete, put the mano, grab the mano like this in the middle of your hand, and then just grab it. Okay, just like this in the middle of your hand, and then just grab it all. Okay, exactly like that. Okay, and then remember there's a little piece of garlic into the Mexican blender, so we're gonna start with that. But please, everybody, the correct way to use the Mexican blender, you're gonna make some pressure on your garlic and then just smash it all around. Okay, listen, I don't wanna hear this sound. Okay, I just wanna hear this sound. Okay, it's totally different. So let's do it. Make some pressure on the garlic and then just smash it all around. When you don't see the garlic, that's the perfect moment. And it smells really good, yeah. When you don't see the garlic, you'll be good. Take a look. When you don't see it, when the garlic disappears, that's the perfect time. Or 5 little pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is okay to me. Okay? And same process. Make some pressure on it and then just smash it all around. And the smell now is totally different, guys. The smell is really good now. Okay, next ingredient is gonna be the red tomato. But remember, the red tomato is already roasted, so what that means is a little bit juicy. Be careful, okay? Same process, but just be careful. Put it with your fingers, no problem. Just the red tomato, sir. Exactly. Choose the red tomato. Choose the red tomato. The red one, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Both.
Two red tomatoes.
Two.
Exactly. Only the red tomato.
The tomato.
I mean, you can. Sorry? All the red tomato. Yeah, only the red. We have red tomato and also green tomato in the bowl. We're only going to use the red for now, okay?
Take a napkin.
But remember, at home, my friends, you can add green tomato first, maybe the red onion first. It's up to you, okay? Here, we're just going to make it like a classic way, which is exactly first the red and then the green tomato, all right? Same process. Take some pressure. We just smash it all around. We call it salsa. That's the real name in Spanish. Salsa de molcajete. ¡Míralo! ¡Ánimo, ánimo! Ahora. Like I said, if you feel like a real Mexican, you can add the habanero, all right? But if you feel like half and half, you can add the serrano, or maybe both. It's up to you guys. Okay, sir, what about you? You want to say one of the green habanero or
Salt
both?
and yours.
Yeah. Yeah.
Señorita, habanero?
Chips.
Only okay with this?
You didn't put your onion
Oh,
in
was I
there.
supposed to put that in there too?
Remember,
Oh.
if you dry under
gotta
the sun,
mash
the
that.
serrano chile, that one is gonna be then chipotle. Okay, yeah. One more serrano. Okay.
Serrano.
Serrano, okay,
Y
perfect.
habanero.
And habanero, both.
Yes.
Okay, I like that. This one is smaller. Yes, señorita, what about you? No, not for you? Okay,
No.
next time. Both, okay? So this one here. I love habanero, guys. Listen, if you don't speak any Spanish, after to try the habanero, try it. Yes. The people that start to speak even French after to try the habanero chile. Okay, so try it.
Man.
Okay, guys. So basically, this is like the classic Mexican red salsa from Mexico, guys. Okay.
Oh, wow.
This is something really classic. Listen, at home, if you don't have the Mexican blender, you can make this by the regular blender. Okay, it's not a problem. This is just a Mexican style. So remember, don't eat all the salsa because we're gonna need the salsa for the last two dishes. Okay, but mine is ready. Okay, señorita.
Mine's mild.
Let me try yours.
I didn't put any in.
Gringo style.
Yeah, I can't do spicy.
Oh, it's really good.
I can't do spicy stuff.
It's really nice. All the flavors just right there. Yeah. You need more spice, in my opinion, but the flavor is perfect. Yeah. Good amount of salt, good pepper right there. Yeah.
You like that.
Let me see this one here.
I think he's got the best job.
You know what, señorita? I'm sorry.
That's the one. That's the one.
This one here is really good. This is really good. Okay. It's the winner now, okay? Give me a second. I have more to try. That one, I'm sorry about. Everyone, she's the winner. She got it, she got it. She got the flavor, she got the taste.
We all
She got
get to try
everything.
hers though now, right?
Sorry?
We all get to try hers now?
Oh yeah, why not? Go ahead, go ahead.
Then I won't have
Just to
none.
recognize the real flavor. Yeah, this is like my mom's salsa. Maybe that's why. Maybe that's why. Okay. So now everybody. So for the fresh cheese, you can find fresh cheese on Walmart, on Sam's, by Costco, wherever you go. Believe me. But only the best. You can find the best fresh cheese by the little grocery stores.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, besides to the local bakery, there is a little place where you can find fresh cheese. A lot of people, even part of my family, come from Puerto Vallarta straight to this place just to buy the fresh cheese, okay, from here, because it's natural and it's also by hand, okay. So fresh cheese, sour cream, and the last ingredient, the most important thing, okay, the protein. Can be chicken, can be pork, or maybe beef, okay. In some cases, also seafood, okay. So in this occasion, now we're gonna make the tostada, and it's really simple and easy. Just grab the tostada. Okay. Grab the spoon. Okay. And first of all, okay, everything can be different at home. Okay, it's not mandatory do it like this, but I like to add first beans. Okay, so put all the fried beans and spread out. Put the frijoles. Just spread out. Take a look. All around to the tostada. Oh, delicious, yeah. Yes. And the smell is really good. Yeah, actually they add some special oil to fry the beans right here. And the people who work by the kitchen, they live in the town down there. That's why the taste of the beans are unbelievable. Okay, now, sour cream.
I'll take all the cream.
Same process, spread out, all around to the tostada. Okay, then the chicken. Oh yeah, looks really good. Next ingredient is gonna be the lettuce.
Chicken.
I like to add all the time the cheese on the top, all the time, and then salsa or guacamole, okay? So the last ingredient in the top of the tostada is gonna be the fresh cheese. Spread out all around to the tostada, same process. This is really easy actually, guys. Really easy.
Not really cooking.
So at home you only need like 4 or 5 ingredients to make a delicious and a Mexican tostada, okay? And then, of course, the most important thing, salsa on the top. That's really necessary to make a Mexican tostada, but enjoy it, okay? Salud.
Salud.
There ain't gonna be none of that. Just show the camera your.
That is really good. I think, in my opinion, the magic here is because the fried beans. We got all the flavor by the fried beans. Okay, I mean the chicken is good, of course, but the fried beans has all the magic right here, right now.
Right here, huh?
And also the guacamole.
I think you got all the magic.
Thank you. Wow, this is really good.
Yeah, that's good.
It's over there. Okay, everybody. So normally, on a regular Mexican restaurant, if you ask for a Mexican enchilada, first of all, they fry the tortilla in oil.
Right.
Okay? This is not a really fried, this is like medium fried tortilla. Okay? But, okay. But also we have a few more ingredients. We have sour cream, cheese,
Chicken enchilada.
we have salsa de guajillo. Guajillo salsa, okay? When you try some chiles in Mexico, for example, if you try the jalapeno or the jalapeno chile is gonna be then chipotle. Remember, I'm already mentioning we use the chipotle more on the seafood, okay? Then we have the protein, in this case, once again, chicken. And the last thing, lettuce, okay? So this is really simple and easy. Actually, it's like a classic Mexican taco, okay? First of all, you're gonna grab the tortilla when it's not hot, okay, remember? You will put all the chicken inside, spread out, make a beautiful roll.
Did you say we can eat it?
Just put it on the sides, okay? Not in the middle, just on the sides. Put it on the sides. Okay, vámonos! Put it all together, make a big roll. Okay, keep rolling. And then remember, the red salsa, this one, which is made with guajillo, chile, is not spicy. Do you know what is the Mexican chilaquiles? Yeah. These fried tortillas with a lot of this salsa on it. Okay. And then the fried tortilla is gonna be soft. And then you can add some chicken or maybe some eggs. All right. So you're gonna put all the salsa, the guajillo salsa, in the top of your taco, of your enchilada. Remember, we have a lot of flavor on the salsa, not spicy. It's only to give you some flavor and also, of course, some color on it. Okay? So take a look, just like this one here. Then you're gonna put all the cheese. All the cheese on it. Sour cream. It's up to you. Like I said, you can add it on in your way, no problem. You can add first cream, or then maybe the cheese. It's up to you guys, no problem. Okay, and lettuce, cheese at the end. All right. On the Mexican restaurants, if you go and buy some enchiladas, normally they will give you 5 or 6 pieces of this. Okay, we have red enchiladas and also green enchiladas. I prefer the red one because the green is made with green tomato. Exactly, tomatillo, green tomato, okay? But I prefer this one here, which is the red one. And of course, the lettuce at the end. Okay? Simple and easy, guys. This is simple and easy. And well, this is the result.
You want Coke?
Take a look.
Nobody else will drink?
And if you want it, also, if you feel like a Mexican, you can add some beans on the top, okay? And this is basically the Mexican enchilada, all right? Please, everybody, enjoy it. Really good. We need the pork, actually. For the enchiladas, we need the pork. And it's almost mandatory.